Now, may we all please look at how Alvin attempted to work out this exercise. Alvin, please take us through.
Okay, so sir,
Mm-hmm.
explain what I did on the left. The left what I did was incorrect in terms of the numerator because I differentiated the 4x plus 3 parts incorrectly. Am I still with everyone?
We're listening.
So instead of saying 4 in terms of my derivative, I instead said 4x, and that's why I got the answer I got on the right. So what I did on the left is reworked the numerator, fixed it
Mm-hmm.
instead of saying sorry, sir.
Okay, let me keep quiet. I just said mm-hmm,
Okay,
but now I'm going to keep quiet. Please go ahead.
all right. So what I did on the right was rework the numerator. So now instead of saying 4x like I did before, I differentiated it correctly and said 4. So I applied so I differentiated it and applied all the terms into the equation. And my final answer, as you can see right below, if you can see it, is negative 20x squared plus 30x. Do I have everyone?
Members, anyone? Hello?
Hello, everyone?
Hello, everyone. Anyone? Before I come in?
Afternoon, sir. What are we supposed to be doing here? Okay, I'm not sure exactly, sir. What's the function, equation, or what's going on? Because now I'm not sure what's going on here.
Mr. A. Matsuso, were you with
Yes,
us
sir.
until the end of the workshop yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you remember our agreement?
Agreement.
Yes. Our agreement was that Alvin will send his work to my boss, then my boss will share it with everybody. Then we'll start by checking how Alvin ended up getting what he got.
Or
Because
is
his
it that
answer
last?
is different from everybody else's answer.
Okay. So if
Okay,
let's say
sir.
he was following the quotient rules, he was supposed to have uh, the formula of f of x multiplied by g of x minus f prime of x times g of x all over g of x squared. So based on the mere fact that for me he worked his answer like this, maybe that's why it's confusing, because he's not even showing maybe the formula and what steps he's following. So in this particular case, it's a bit tough for one to decipher based on the mere fact that he just wrote the working out without the actual formula and how he goes about finding the derivative of what he's looking for.
Thank you, Mr. Matsuso. There was someone while
It
you
was
were doing.
me, sir.
Yes, Busiso, how are you, my brother?
I'm finding you, sir.
Good. How do
Sir,
we help out each other here?
okay, sir. I see he's working on the reworked side, sir. He did a
Mm.
slight arithmetic error there. He said 40x squared minus 20x squared is equal to negative 20x squared, of which is positive 20x squared. A slight mistake there, sir.
I see it. But then again, Busiso, while we are still there, just
Okay,
look
sir.
on the right hand side across. Look outside the box, the second step.
Mm.
That is minus 20x. That
X
seems to be a
cubed.
cube.
Yes, I see. I think the advice that Ahmad also just said, writing out the function name, saying the derivative of the first function of the numerator times the denominator plus or minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared should be written, so he can know what to do and follow that sequence. So it would be simple because I don't know how it got cubed. So
Yeah, that's where that cubed, I completely became lost. I didn't know where we were going. I did see the working in reworked in the box, but then when I came to the second step outside the box, that cubed really just confused me.
yeah,
Alvin,
yeah.
Yes, sir.
have you heard the advice from A. Matsuso and then even Sibusiso?
Yes, I did, sir, and I thank them for it.
Sorry?
I'm saying yes, I did, sir, and I thank them for it.
Do you, oh, okay, do you now understand, someone sent this up, Tabo,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm good, and you, sir. I wanted to ask in terms of the advice that were given by the two gentlemen. Would it be required in an exam to write the formula? Because I sometimes don't. I just look at the question, and then just So I don't know. Would it be required to write in an exam the formulas?
Okay, in the exam, let me not put my head on the block, because if you can cut it, even my boss will not be able to find it. It will fall very, very far. So I'm not putting my head on the block on that one, but the advice that Abdul gave and then even Busiso gave, that is straightforward. It gives guidance. It gives even the marker to show that you know what you are doing. You show the marker that this is how I'm starting. This is how I'm going about solving this exercise until the end.
Noted, sir.
Yes. Alvin, do you agree that, oh, okay, no, let me not say you agree. Do you now follow what needs to be done?
Yes, I do follow now.
Okay, please thank, starting with those two colleagues who provided an explanation or guidance. Please thank them, and then we can then continue. Then I'll still talk to you.
Okay, thanks very much, Abdul and Sibusiso.
Thank you, Alvin. This is our learning platform. No one knows everything. We are here because we don't know everything. We don't know anything. We are here to learn. Take it in a positive manner, Alvin. Okay. Thank you. Now, thanks, boss. Now you can unshare.
Fancy.
Okay, thank you. All right. So this is what we were looking for. This is what we were talking about. Now, Alvin, please promise me that You are going to lead us in giving us an answer for the next exercise. Do we agree on that one?
We agree, sir.
Okay, thank you. Here it follows. Find the derivative of h of x, which is equals to 3x plus 1 all over 4x minus 3. Can everybody see it?
Yes,
Anyone?
yes, we can see it.
Okay, thank you.
Elvin's done.
Thank you, Alvin. Now, our time is up. Please help me out here. In this workshop now, there is Busiso, there is Abdul, there is Theo, there is Princess, there is Tabo, there is Kanyisile, there is Makwena, there's Tando, there's Jonas, there is Elvin. Who else is with us here that I didn't mention?
There's the reward, but I'm gonna text you for life.
Sorry?
What?
Hmm?
Reward.
I'm gonna Jonas, but I'm gonna text you. So I do not know if I'll be audible enough.
Jonas, oh, you say you are in a taxi.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. It's okay. I'm just asking. Have I captured everybody's name here?
Erika is also here,
No.
sir.
Erika. Who else did I miss out? I don't want to miss anyone. Sorry?
YV.
YV. Who's YV?
Lerado.
And Lerado as well. Lerado is here. Lerado, who's YV?
Lebogang, Yvonne.
Is Lebrang here?
I don't know, sir. She said she's at the lesson and I must join fast. So, yeah.
Lebohang or Lebrang?
Lebogang.
Lebo, are you? Is she also here? Lerado, is Lebo in the workshop?
No, she's not.
No, sir. She isn't arrived. She's on her way, though. Yeah. Because
Oh, okay. Now, let me go to Alvin. Alvin,
Yes, sir.
you will share your answer with us. Then you will take it to Erika. Erika will take it to Lerato. From Lerato, it will go to Jonas. Oh, Jonas is in a taxi. Oh. Lerato will take it to Tando. Tando will take it to Makwena. Makwena to Kanyisile. Kanyisile to Tabo. Tabo to Princess. Princess to Theo. Theo to Abdul. Abdul to Sibusis. In that order, please. Yes, we are listening, Abdul. I mean, Alvin, we are listening.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, so my final answer is 13 over 16x squared minus 24x plus 9.
Please repeat.
13
Yes.
all over 16x squared minus 24x plus 9.
Okay, I captured that. Now it's your turn.
Okay, Erica, hello? Hello, Erica?
Sorry, I'm
Erika.
here. Yes. My answer is negative 13 over 16x squared, take away 24x plus 9.
Oh,
Please repeat, Erica.
I've got negative 13 over 16x squared minus negative 24x plus 9.
Thank you, Erica. Now is your turn.
Lerato, what's your answer?
Okay, are we doing 2.2.4? I just joined like last minute.
Yes.
Okay, my numerator is -5, and then all over 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. Yeah, I think. Yeah,
You must not think. You must be sure. What are you saying, Lerado?
I wrote down -5 all
Mhm.
over 16x squared minus 24x plus 9 for 2.2.4.
Okay, thank you. Now is your turn.
Tandoletu or Abdul, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think
Thando.
Tandoletu.
Oh, okay. Tandulinkwes. All right. How are you,
Yes,
Lerato?
Tandoletu.
Okay, I got negative 13 divided by 4x minus 3 bracketed everything to raise to the power 2.
Please repeat.
Negative 13 all over 4x minus 3 bracketed squared.
Okay, thank you. Thando.
Umakwena, hello Makwena.
Makwena. Makwena. Makwena. Okay, call her again for the last time, Thando. Maybe she will respond.
Yeah, maybe the network say. Hello
Maybe.
Makwena.
Okay. Maybe Magwena will come and join us. Probably she's having network problems. Thando, then you can talk to Kanyisile.
Kanyisile, how are you? May we have your answer, please?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Yeah, you can go ahead and hear your answer. Kanyisile.
You should have wrote in the chat that she got.
Kanyisile. Kanyisa your
Maybe
answer. Sorry? You say, boss, you say she wrote on the chat.
yes, that my name. If you call my name and I don't answer, I have network issues due to load shedding. Even Tando said in few minutes she will be off, but will rejoin again.
Okay. Tabo. Tabo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, then you will talk to Princess.
Okay.
What did you get, my brother?
My answer is x minus 4 all
Sorry?
over. My answer.
Please come back again. Yes, your answer. Please start from the beginning.
Okay, my answer is x minus 4 all over 16x squared minus 12x plus 9.
Please repeat. X
Minus 4
all
over 16x squared
Yes.
plus 2x. Sorry, minus 2, it's minus 12. Minus 12x.
16x squared minus 12x.
12x, yes, plus 9. Plus 9.
plus 9.
Yes.
Thank you, Tabo.
Princess, are you here?
Apologies, sir. This is Kanyisile.
Yes, Kanyisile.
Sorry, I
Kanyisile,
couldn't
yes.
give my. Sorry, I couldn't give my answer. Can I give it now? I have like network issues
Yes, we are asking for it.
because of load shedding.
Yes.
Okay, so my answer is negative 13 over 4x minus 3 squared. All of it squared.
Thank you, Kanyisile. Now, Tabo, the next person. Who was talking now? Was it? This was Kanyisile.
It was Prince.
Hmm? Was it
After
Princess or
Tabo, it was
Kanyisile?
Princess.
Was it Princess?
Yes, after Tabo, it was Princess. So can I give my answer?
Who are you?
I'm Princess, sir.
No. Hang on. Who was speaking a few minutes ago?
That was Kanyisile. So
that was
Tabo was supposed to
Kanyisile.
call Princess, but Kanyisile came in, yes.
And gave out their answer, ne?
Yes, so now
Yes, sir.
Princess is here to give out her own answer.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Kanyisile,
Yes.
I captured your answer. Yes, Princess, quiet.
Okay, so my answer is negative 13 over open bracket 4x minus 3 close bracket squared.
Thank you, Princess.
Okay, Theo, you can go ahead.
Thank you for the floor, ladies and gentlemen. My answer is negative 13 over 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. Or alternatively, it can be negative 13 over 4x minus 3 squared.
Thank you, Theo.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Mr. Abdul, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Mr. Theo. Without further ado, I agree with Mr. Theo also. I agree.
Thank you, sir.
I'll pass it over to Usbusiso.
Thank you, Abdul.
And Sbusiso also agrees and say the case is closed with Theo's answer.
Okay.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Okay, thank you. Now we need to talk to let me go back to Alvin. Alvin.
Yes, sir.
Please read. Your numerator is positive 18. Do we agree?
Yes, sir, but I'm changing that. I'm changing the numerator.
To what?
It's supposed to be negative 13.
Why?
I completely forgot about the negative sign.
Okay. Alvin, for this mistake that you made, you are going to lead us in the next one. It's not a punishment, brother. It's just a matter of emphasis, of making sure that when I step off this section, you understand it. You will not be understanding it, but you will be mastering it. Do we agree, you and I, on that one?
We agree, sir.
Thank you. Now, there is, okay. Yo, Tabo. Before I come
yes,
to
sir.
Larat.
Yes,
Tabo.
sir. Yes, sir.
You said your answer is x minus 4 all
Yes.
over 16x squared minus 12x plus 9.
Yes.
What happened? What did you do? Please take us through what you did.
Okay,
may we please all pay attention so that we can be able to help? Yes, Tabo?
So the question is, you find the derivative of h of x, which is equals to 3x plus 1 over 4x minus 3, right? Then I derived, okay. I derived the numerator. I see my mistake. I derived the numerator and then multiplied by the denominator minus the derivative of the denominator multiplied by the numerator. So the mistake I did here was I derived x, which is 1, and I didn't multiply with the constant 3. And then on the other one, I derived x, which is 1, and I didn't multiply with the constant 4. That's why I made a mistake.
Tabo?
Yes, sir.
Were you with us when Abdul gave an advice to Alvin at the beginning of the session?
Yes,
Were
yes,
you here?
yes. Yes.
If you can take that advice and follow it and apply it, you will not make this kind of a mistake.
Noted, sir.
Now, here is an agreement. In the next exercise, the first person to give us an answer will be Elvin, then will be followed by Tabo. Then the rest of us are going to follow.
Noted,
Then,
sir.
okay, now let's go to Lerato. Lerato.
I'm the correct one here. I know it. I can feel it.
Sorry?
I'm saying my answer is correct.
Yours
No.
of you got
Yes,
-5.
Yes, that
all
minus
over.
fine.
Your answer is your answer is -5 all over 16x squared minus 24x plus 9.
Yes, that's the answer. The answer we're looking for. So, the thing is,
Are you sure?
That I am sure, but if I get this wrong, you will call Tio again. So I'll just explain fast and quick. And first, I got the derivative of f of x, which was 3 times g of x minus derivative of g of x is 4 times 3x minus 1 all over 4x minus 3 squared. 3 times 4, I got 12. Yes,
Can I ask a question first before? Sorry, I wanted to note the fact that you didn't put the parentheses after the minus on the top. That's where the problem is.
I put the negative.
Yeah, the negative must multiply everything on the bracket after.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like my second bracket, it's 12x minus 4 from the equation of 3x minus 1.
It should be minus 12x. Okay, continue.
Can I interject quickly? Can I? No, it's fine. No, Lerato, I hear you. You are actually correct. The only thing I think Busiso was waiting for is with your 12x minus 4, with your 12x plus 4, do you still have the negative outside the bracket? I think that's what he was going to say next. That's all.
Yeah, I was trying to make sure.
Yes, that's all.
To the second part of derivative of g of x times f of x. The derivative of g of x is 4 times f of x, which is 3x minus 1, unless it's not it's plus 1. Fuck.
Yeah, thank me, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you,
He just saw his mistake.
Thank you, Busiso. Thank you, Mr. Busiso. Thank you.
Yeah, I know Lerato. I already know Lerato.
We all know Lerato.
But wrong question.
Yeah, sure.
Lerato?
Yeah, so it's fine. I agree with them because the 4 would be negative. And then minus 9 minus 4, that's minus 13, not minus 5.
Correct. Correct.
Because you were very confident and then you even said to me, I can bring in for you. So now, Please, thanks,
The
Busiso.
thing
Is it Busiso and Theo? Who guided you?
Yes, it's what the thing
Yes,
is.
sir.
Yes, please, then.
I thank them already.
Thank them.
Yeah.
Oh, you
For
did?
I'm thanking them like currently right now for helping.
You are welcome, good sir. Thank you,
Very
Busiso, as well.
welcome.
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah,
Thank you,
I
brother.
predicted the situation. I saw it before it came. I was like, yeah.
Now,
Wow.
in the next exercise, will be led by Elvin, who will be followed by Tabo. Tabo will be followed by Lerado. Then the rest of us will follow after these three. Now, let's go to this next example. This is what we have been looking for. Thank you. All of you who didn't expand, even those who expanded, that's what we are looking for. Thank you.
I can't see anything, sir.
You will, don't worry, soon. Extended power rule. Oh, yeah. This one is basic. Okay, maybe let me just. But this is what we have been doing. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, you
Yes,
can see.
you can,
Yes, we can, sir.
Yes, sir.
you can pass this one, sir.
Ndumiso, how are you?
I'm good in yourself, sir.
Good, welcome. So
Thank you very
do we
much.
agree that I can pass this one, eh?
Yeah, no
Because
problem.
this is what we have been busy with.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Please find the derivative of x to the power minus 4 with respect to x. Alternatively, differentiate x to the power minus 4 with respect to x.
Lerato is done.
Thank you, Lerado. We are waiting for
Done
Elvin.
This is also done.
Okay, Lerado, Elvin.
Tabo is also done.
Lerado, Sbuziso. Who is done?
Tabo. Tabo is done.
Tabo. Thank
Alvin's
you.
done.
Elvin. Who else?
Erika is done.
Erika. Tando.
Theo's done, sir.
Theo.
Yes, it's done.
Dumiso. Okay. Are we all done? Can you see the Magwena? Magwena. Jonas, are you here? Oh, Jonas was still in a taxi. We don't know.
I'm typing in the chat, sir.
Who's talking?
It's Jonas, sir.
Are you still in a taxi?
I'm currently waiting in line again, but I'm typing my answers in the chat.
Is it safe where you are?
I'm in Jersey, but hopefully it is.
I know, that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, it is. There's lots of people, sir.
So if it is not safe, don't bother. Yeah, no, if it is not safe, please don't expose your devices there.
Yeah, you might want to put your phone away, bro.
Yes.
Agreed.
So now,
Princess is done.
thank you, Princess.
Theo is
Okay.
done.
Who?
Theo.
Theo, it was done long time ago.
Oh.
Now, in this order, then the rest of us are going to follow. Elvin, Tabo, and Lerato. Elvin? Elvin.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What I got was negative 4x to the power negative 5.
Yes. Talk to Tabo. Tabo will talk to Lerato.
Tabo, what did you get?
I got the same, negative 4x to the power of negative 5. Lerato.
So I got something different, a little different. I have negative 4 all over x to the power 5 there.
Congratulations. Great answer.
Yeah, man, that's great. Yeah.
Okay, now let me go in this order. Princess, what did you get? Quickly.
I got negative 4 all over x to the power of 5.
Ndomiso?
Same as Princess, negative 4 all over x raised to the power 5.
Theo?
Negative 4 over x to the power of 5, sir.
Tando? Erika, get ready.
I agree
Tando?
with them, sir. I agree with them, sir.
Thank you, Erika.
I agree with them as well, sir.
Sbusiso?
I'm with the community of agreeing, sir.
Okay, thank you. We agree that what has been said to be an answer, it is indeed what we are looking for. If you take x to the power minus 5, below minus 4, then becomes minus 4 over x to the power 5. Thank you. Now, let's move on to this one. Tando, you will lead us in this one. Ne? Tando?
Yes, sorry, sir.
Yes, Ndomiso.
It looks like Tabo has his hand raised.
Yes, Tabo. Okay, thank you. Tabo?
Yes, sir. I just wanted to find out in terms of leaving your answer in a positive exponent. Would you be penalized if you left it as minus 4x to the power of negative 5?
No.
Thank you, sir.
It's one and the same thing. For both of them, maximum marks will be awarded.
Noted, sir. Noted.
Thank you, Tabo. Tando, how many minutes here? 1. In fact, 1. Yes. Tando, you're
2
taking
minutes.
us.
2 minutes, sir, but my laptop is switching off. We'll join you later.
Okay.
Done here.
Who is done? Lerato. Okay,
Susiso.
Lerato.
Yes,
Lerato,
that's done.
And Tabo is
Erika,
done.
and Tabo is done.
Theo's
I
done.
just need Theo is done.
Elvin's done.
Okay. Elvin is done.
Say,
Ndomiso's done.
Hello, Ndomiso. Yes, someone is calling me.
it's Princess. I
Yes,
can't
my
see
princess.
anything on my side. So I was wondering if you can please call it out for me so I can solve it quickly.
How can this happen to my princess?
I don't know. Please call it out for me, sir. I think my phone is it's acting up. It's my phone. I'm using my phone, so I think it's acting up.
Okay. It is f of x is equals to 6
Yes.
all over x squared.
Yes. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now, Lerato, Sbusiso, Erika, Tabo, Theo, Elvin, and Ndomiso. Who else is finished? Okay. Erica?
Okay, Princess is done as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Princess. Okay, Princess. Please talk to all of us. And then this is what we are going to do. You will tell us what you got. If there is anyone who would have found a different answer from the one that you have found, Princess, is then that will engage. Otherwise, if Princess, do you see the trust that I'm actually putting on your shoulder? It means I trust you.
It's a heavy burden.
I'm asking you not to disappoint me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Try my best.
So now you say out your question, your answer. After that, you will talk to everybody. You will ask if there is anyone who disagrees with your answer, then we step off this one. Thank you.
Okay. So for my answer, I got negative 12 all over x cubed. So x to the power of 3. Is there anyone who got something different from my answer?
No.
Nope.
Do you all agree with Princess' answer?
I agree.
I agree.
I agree.
Yes,
I
sir.
also agree. I agree also.
Yeah, agree.
Princess?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Princess, for
Pleasure.
not disappointing me. Thank you. Now, let's move on to this next one. This is what we were looking for, yeah? Minus 12x to the power negative 3, or negative 12 over x to the power 3. Negative 12 divided by x to the power 3.
Yes.
Is that what you got, Lerado?
Yes.
Lerado?
Oh, sir, I have
a
question.
Yes, Lerado.
Yeah, don't leave that working there. Go up to that working. Yeah, that's the working. So, sir, on the if and they ask this question, and then they say like 10 marks, should you write your rules on easy, or it's for 10 marks? Then normally you
Lerado,
answer.
what's your question?
Say this question of deriving, if they're like derive 6 over x squared, 10 marks, should you write on the side like here we are using this rule, here we are using this rule, so that like mark allocation, how does it go for 10 marks for this question? Because the memo has these things and they mark, you see where you write apply the constant multiple rule, they give you a mark for writing those. So I'm asking, every time you solve, must you write apply constant multiple rule, use extended power rule, simplify?
Okay. Here is my honest response to you. This kind of a question will never be awarded that mark. This is in the range of 1, 2, never 10. If max can be 3. And there is no need for you to write this. The most important thing for you is to know what you are doing. Where will you get the time to write all these in the exam, Lerado?
The thing is, these markers, they follow the memo, and the memo writes these things on the side. And the memo says give 1 mark if the person state which law are they using. I don't know why. I don't know honestly. Or maybe it's only because that one was a proof question. It said you must prove this law that you're using there. So maybe that's why, because it's proof, but I don't know. Say, hey.
Yeah, but honestly speaking, this question can never be worth 10 marks. To be reasonable, this is the maximum marks for this kind of a question. 1, 2, 3, not beyond that. That's why I'm saying, because here you are using the basic rules of differentiation, which we all learned in matric. Have I answered you, Lerato?
Yes, it's fine, sir. I understand.
Thank you. Please find the derivative of g of x, which is equals to 1 over x to the power 7, using the extended power rule.
Lerato.
Thank you, Lerato. Who else?
Sir, I don't know if it's me, but I don't see anything on the screen, sir.
Done also. I was done.
Give it a few seconds, Sbusiso.
When you tap on the screen, it reappears, or when you zoom, like on my side. If I don't see anything and I ask you to zoom, the screen appears again. I don't know why. So that's why I asked.
Sbusiso, can you be able to see it?
No, sir, I still can't see it. I'm not sure if it's my network or.
Is there anyone else who is unable to see my screen?
So can you read out the question for me? Can you read out the question, sir? I'll just solve it.
Okay, is g of x is equals to 1 over x to the power 7?
That's all, sir.
Princess is done.
That's all. Thank you, Princess.
Ndumiso is done.
Oh, Sbusiso is done, sir.
He is done. Yes, Vuyo here is done.
Vuyo, where have you been?
Yes, sir. I had a problem with my computer and my phone, and the network problem here, very bad.
Hey, you had many problems, my brother. Let me just thank God that you are here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it looks like the list. It looks like I interrupted you. The list was still continuing. Vuyo, what did you get as an answer?
Yes, sir. I got 1 over 1 minus 7x to the power 8.
What should I write, Vuyo?
Negative 1 over 7x to the power 8.
Negative 1 over 7x to the power 8. Please talk to them. Everybody.
Yes,
whether they agree with you or disagree.
Agree with me or disagree?
Lerato disagrees.
I completely disagree. Sbusiso disagrees.
Yo, Vuyo.
Everybody disagree.
Tabo kindly disagrees also. Kindly.
Tabo also disagrees.
I also disagree.
Who is it? Is it Princess?
Yes, it's Princess.
Yo, Vuyo.
Yes, what
Theo?
did I do?
Theo.
Yes, sir.
Maybe Theo will agree with you. Do you agree with Vuyo?
Unfortunately not, sir. I need to side with the masses today and disagree. I disagree. I'm siding with the masses.
Vuyo, would you please take us through the steps that you walked until you get to this final answer that you just shared with us?
Okay,
We are listening.
what I did is to first let me check here. Okay, thank you, sir. What I did is to first say 1 over x to the power 7 network, and I got I multiply the exponent by the coefficient, which is 1. It gave me negative 7x. I used that power rule that says you should always by the coefficient. I got
You're breaking, Vuyo.
took it back to its original form, which was 1 over x to the power 7, and I got negative 1 over 7 to the x to the power 8.
Okay. Anyone, please share with us what an answer. What should our answer be? Because there seems to be a disagreement with Vuyo's answer. No, there doesn't seem to be. There is a disagreement with Vuyo's answer. Anyone?
I'm nominating Lerato to give us the
Oh, okay. Lerato.
Yes, answer is yes, I'm speaking. Am I speaking too softly or not? Like I'm speaking, I'm trying.
We can hear you. We can hear
Loud
you,
and
Lerato.
clear. Loud and clear, Lerato. Loud and clear.
So I got negative 7 over x to the power 8.
What a man.
Anyone who disagrees with what Lerato just said?
Nope.
Vanessa agrees.
We agree. What a man!
We agree. What a man. What a man.
Okay, Lerato.
Yes, sir.
Please advise Vuyo.
Okay, well, this is how like I did it. And so see, I said 1 times x to the power negative 7, and I got x to the power negative 7, and then negative 7 times that one there. You see that one there? It's negative 7. Then negative 7 minus negative 1, it's negative 8. And then I got negative 7 times x to the power negative 8, which is equal to negative 7 over x to the power 8. Like I don't know if you understands me or not.
All right. I get you, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I do.
Oh, thank you. Now, let's move on to combining differentiation rules. Thank you, Lerato. Now,
Hello,
yes. Hello. Can someone please mute? I don't know who it is. Okay.
sorry, sir, I was checking my connectivity. I'm very sorry.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, now you are connected. Thank you, Tando. combining differentiation rules. Let's look at example 2.2.8 together. Here we are told that for k of x, which is equals to 3h of x plus x squared g of x, we are requested to find the derivative of k. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir, you can see.
Yes, sir.
I repeat, and Lerado, particularly for you, for k of x, which is equals to 3h of x plus x squared times g of x, we are requested to find what? The derivative of k. In simple terms, without bothering you with many things. Do you see this step that I've highlighted?
Yes, you can see it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now, in order to get the derivative of k, what is it that we need to do? 3 is just a constant, so we'll just take the derivative of h of x. Okay? Then we move on to the next term. The next term is x squared g of x. Then it is plus. We take the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. We multiply by g of x, plus x squared will remain to be x squared. Then we take the derivative of g of x. That's it.
No, sir.
Hello?
So on the x squared g of x, you use product rule there.
Please tell them.
No, sir. Yeah, it's product rule there. That's why there are 3 terms in the final answer, even if there are 2 terms at the beginning. Yeah, I can see
Please
that's
ask
product
them.
rule. Guys, can you see on x squared g of x, we use the product rule.
Do they agree or disagree?
They're not answering.
We agree, Lerado. We agree. Loud and clear.
Okay, thank you. Now, if there is an agreement, let's look at this next example. All right. Can you all see this example? Example 2.2.9.
Please scroll down a bit more.
I did. Just wait for a few seconds. And please do let me know when you see it.
Okay, I can see it now, sir.
Can everybody see this example 2.2.9?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now, thank you. Okay. Lerado?
I know, sir.
Lerado?
Yes, sir.
My brother, in this example 2.2.8, I think they said they agree, ne? They understand. Ne?
Yes, they said they understand, they agree.
You explain to them, then they say they understand. Ne?
Yes, they said they understand.
Okay. Now, Lerado, if they really understand, please ask them again whether they did understand or whether they do understand this example 2.2.8 or not for the last time.
Do you really understand example 2.2.8? like for the last time.
On my side, Lerato, I understand, completely understand.
Lerato, now
I understand.
it looks like it is only one person who now understands. Who is Busiso?
There are sharps here from Dumiso and the other.
Oh, they are sharps. Oh, okay. From everybody. All right. If that is the case, Lerato, please ask them to work out example 2.2.9 for
Okay.
k of x, which is equals to f of x, g of x, h of x. Please find the derivative of k of x.
Okay. Guys, can you please 5 minutes? I'm generous. 5 minutes to find the derivative.
How many minutes do you give them, Lerato?
I give them 5 because they will say I'm fast, then what. So 5 minutes to find the derivative of k of x.
Busiso is done.
Thank you, Busiso.
So which question was it? 229 or 228?
229.
Sorry?
2.2.9.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Lerato is done.
Thank you, Lerato.
Princess is done.
Thank you, Princess.
But my answer looks very scary, sir. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's the answer that we are looking for.
Sorry, what are the variables again? It's
Sorry?
h of x, g and f of x. Is it h of x, g of x, and f of x?
Who is talking?
It's Jonas, sir.
Jonas, do you see example 2.2.9?
Sir, as soon as I go to the chat and come back, it gets blurry a bit. Can you please say the question for me?
Can I what?
Please read the question for me.
Okay. Jonas, please assure me that you are in a safe space.
Yeah, I'm in a taxi. I'm moving now, so I'm in a safe space. Okay, now I can see it, sir. Thanks.
Oh, okay.
I can see it, sir.
All right. Thank you.
The missile's done.
Thank you, Ndemiso.
Elvin's done.
Elvin is done. Your time is up. Who needs extra few seconds? Because ideally, time is up.
Tando.
Tando, are you finished?
No,
Tando.
I just joined again.
Oh, you rejoined. How many minutes do you need now?
No, I'm done. I'm done with copying the example. So you can go ahead. I'll just answer that 2.29.
I need an answer. Okay. Alvin? Alvin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my brother. Please share with us what you found. Then, after that, you'll hand over to Ndumiso. Ndumiso, who will hand over to Princess. Princess will hand over to Lerato. Lerato will then finally hand over to Sibusiso.
Okay.
Yes.
So my final answer is f prime x by
F.
g x. Sorry.
Come on. Slowly. F prime x. Yes.
Multiplied by gx multiplied by h to the x plus fx multiplied by g prime x multiplied by h to the x plus fx multiplied by g at x multiplied by h at h prime x.
Thank you, Alvin.
But,
That's it.
yeah.
Ndumiso here, sir.
Yes, Ndumiso.
I
Please
have
go ahead, brother.
Okay, sir. I have open bracket.
Yes.
And then I have open bracket fx close bracket. And then I have open bracket g prime x close bracket plus gx open bracket f prime x close bracket, and then open bracket h prime of x close bracket, and then a last close bracket. And then I have plus hx, and then I have d dx open bracket fx, and then open bracket g prime of x close bracket, and then plus gx, and then open bracket f prime of x close bracket, and then another close bracket.
Ndumiso?
Yes, sir.
My apology for interrupting you.
Okay, sir.
Can I request you? Do you see example 2.2.8?
Yes, sir.
Let me request you. Do you see this step that I've highlighted in example 2.2.8? The step that I highlighted.
Yes, sir.
Can you share your answer with us in terms of the way it has been presented to us in the highlighted step in example 2.2.8? Is that a fair request?
Okay, so let me try it again.
Or alternatively, please allow me to call Elvin again. Elvin.
Yes, sir.
Here is my request to you. Please. Okay, let me talk to the members again. Members, please, let's lend an ear to Elvin so that he can share his answer with us again. If there is anyone whose answer is different from Elvin's, then we'll take it from there. Are we all okay with my request?
It's fine, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Elvin,
Yes, sir.
please come in again.
Okay. So my final answer was f prime x multiplied by g at x multiplied by h at x plus f at x multiplied by prime x multiplied by h at x plus f at x multiplied by g at x multiplied by h prime x. That was my final answer. Is everyone?
I agree. Disagree, Lerato.
I agree with Elvin as well.
I agree with him too.
I also agree.
Lerado?
Sir, I
Yes?
disagree.
You disagree?
Yes.
Yes, we are listening. Please share your dissatisfaction with Alvin's answer with us.
Yes, like mine is totally different. Like it's so different. Like super different. Like too different.
Two different. Please share it with us.
Okay, so put H.
Sorry?
H, like H as a constant H.
H, yes.
And then can you use that square bracket? Like because there are brackets inside it. Oh.
Oh, we are writing. You say outside we write H, ne?
Yes. Square
Then
bracket.
we write square bracket. Yes.
F prime of X.
F prime of X.
G of X.
G of X.
Times X.
Times X.
Yes.
Okay.
Plus.
And
then these two terms are in a round bracket. X G prime of X, like X
G prime of X
plus G of X
plus G of X.
Then you can close the bracket.
I did, my brother.
Okay. Times f of x.
Times f of x.
And then you close the square bracket. That's it.
I close the square bracket, as you said.
Yes.
Can I raise a case?
Sorry, Spusiso, I didn't hear. I didn't get that.
So you remember at the beginning of the question when you said Lerato must repeat the fact that did people understand the quotient rule from the previous examples?
Yes.
It seems the person who was preaching that fact didn't understand the quotient rule himself. Because no.
I agree with you, Spusiso.
No,
I agree.
Lerato, can you tell me which law is this?
The calculus is calculus.
Yes, which law?
Yes, I've used the product rule, the extended version.
The product rule.
Yes, it's the
Extended
product rule.
version.
Yes, like share benefits. It's f of x times g of x times h of x. According to the product rule, you
Yes.
treat h of x as a constant, and then you apply the product rule to the remaining information. Like if you understand, h of x, I treat it as a constant because I want to deal with the first two things. That's why it's outside of the
But
bracket.
wait. But
Like
if h of x is still a function, how can you treat it as a function?
Treated as a
As a
constant. It's a law. It's not my law. It's not mine.
Okay, gentlemen.
And someone's hand is up, guys.
Sorry, whose hand?
Tabo.
Tabo. Oh, okay. Okay, Tabo, stay on the line. There is still Rato, there is Busiso, there is Theo. Okay, guys, please go ahead. We are listening. Then, Tabo, you will come in when they are when they finish the discussion.
Okay, thank you, sir. Lerato Busiso, Lerato, I think what Busiso is trying to say, to make it very simple, because sometimes, you know, with calculus, it's a lot of things that look complicated. Check what I posted in the group, on the chat. I posted basically how the extended product rule happens, and it's the simplest form I could think of. Tell me what you think. And this is the extended version.
Extended version, how?
For two, when you've got more than two variables, so when you've got three and more, this is basically it.
Okay, let me check it first.
Ediro, what's your answer?
Oh, my answer.
Yes.
My answer for, well, first derivative of k to the x, it's f prime x, it's f prime x multiplied by g of x h of x plus g prime x multiplied by f of x h of x plus h prime x multiplied by f of x and g of x. So basically, like I said, like I posted on my image, what happens there is when you've got three or more variables, you differentiate one, then you keep the others constant. Then you add, and then you plus, and then you differentiate the other, and you keep the other two constant. Then you do the same for the third. And if you had four variables, you do that for the fourth variable, where the one you
I understand.
Okay.
Okay, Theo.
I understand. And I think Lerato misunderstood when you said constant. He thinks constant is in numbers.
No, I see what you mean. No.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to correct Lerato.
Yes. No, but by
he split h of x and x. He said h bracket and x.
Can I speak for myself?
Please do.
Okay, Lerato, I'm listening.
What you wrote there on the chat, yes, I agree with that rule. I know that rule. It didn't come to my mind when I saw the question, unfortunately.
Yeah. Okay,
but if we take numbers, solid equations, what I wrote will give you the correct answer.
Okay. He said, please say that again. Somebody's got their hand up.
I think it was Tabo, and who is it? Who said it's up? Is it Ndomeso?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ndomeso, you'll follow Tabo. Yes, Ndomeso, you'll follow Tabo. Tabo was on the line.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Lerato, are you clear? Busiso and Theo. Is Lerato clear?
No, he's not clear, sir. He doesn't want to negotiate. He doesn't want to listen.
No negotiation because there are no numbers. If there were numbers, you would see my answer is
yes,
correct.
Lerato.
So
f of x and g of x and h of x represent functions, Lerato. So when you apply the product rule, you just say f prime of x times g of x and h of x. So in simple terms, when you apply the product rule, Lerato, we are separating the functions.
Like what I did, it's like me taking h of x and putting it on the side, only dealing with g of x times f of x, which will give you an answer. And then you do the product rule of h of x and also the answer of f of x times g of x, which will give you the same thing with that long thing which Theo wrote. That's what I did, like basically. I
How
treated
the thing I wrote is not that long.
it's that thing, it's long. I
Definitely.
treated h as a constant and then dealt with g of
May I
x.
please come in?
Yes,
May
sir,
I
you can
please
come
come
in. Yes.
Lerado,
Is
my brother, can I please ask you to lend your ear to the explanation that is being
I understand the
provided
explanation.
to you?
I understand the explanation, but like, let's say I used the wrong rule. I did not use the extended product rule the way it was supposed to be made. I understand that in this situation I am wrong. I get the working, I get the formula, but like, yeah, it's wrong because they use the extended product rule. Next time it will say to me, use this rule, and then I'll use that rule which I used now. Like, I confuse them somewhere, but it's fine. I understand. I agree with the answer.
Would you please stand there?
I thank Theo and Sbusi for reminding me which one is the product rule.
Always, man, always. We'll always be here to remind each other because we all tend to forget stuff sometimes. So yes.
The thing is that I do two things which are calculus. So sooner or later they will mix up every time, but then it's fine. You will see when you get there.
Okay. Just try to keep track, Lerato. Don't confuse these things. Just try to keep track. Tabo, then followed by Ndomiso.
Glenn,
Hello?
I was saying here there's a hand from N Maseko. I don't know if ever say historically hand.
No. He's going to talk after you. He's not a historical hand. Is it Tabo who was talking? Was it Tabo?
Makado.
Oh, Makado. Yes, Tabo. Is Tabo still with us?
Yes, sir, he's
Yes,
still
he
with
is.
us.
Tabo, your hand was up, please. What is it that you needed to share with us? Tabo. Okay, Ndomiso, please go ahead.
Okay, yes, sir. I just wanted to find out, is my method of finding this also, is it also correct? Is it also acceptable? Because how I thought I should approach this question first was first to do the, what's it called, the product rule between fx and gx, while I isolate h of x on the side. So first I find the product. First I use the product rule on f of x and g of x. And then I find that entire answer. Okay, then let's call that entire answer u. And then I use the product rule on u and h of x to find the number of everything. Is also an acceptable approach, because I see it's slightly
Ndomiso.
different. Yes, sir.
My brother, I think, what should I say? We are at bus stop number 3, but it looks like you are already at bus stop number 8, which is in the next section of integration. We are still differentiating here. So you seems to be using the substitution rule. Am I wrong to say that?
The reason I use the substitution rule, sir, I just wanted to Okay, let's not use the substitution rule for now. So I'm saying I do the product rule between f of x and g of x and find that entire answer.
Whoa. Hang on there. Now, where are you throwing or where are you hiding this h of x now?
I haven't used it yet. That's why I'm asking if my method of finding it was okay. I'm saying the first thing I did was find the answer of f of x multiplied by g of x. First, I find that answer using the product rule. And then once I find that answer, then I use the product rule on that entire answer and h of x. And then I find the entire answer of everything.
Please hang
So
on there.
What's your?
Just hang on there. Please come
I
in,
did the
Sbusiso.
same as Ndumiso.
And who
Erika,
did the
is that
same?
what you did? Sbusiso, please come in.
Okay, sir. I wanted to ask Ndumiso what was his final answer, sir?
Okay, let me state my final answer now. I have f of x multiplied by g prime of x multiplied by h prime of x plus g of x multiplied by f of x multiplied by h prime of x plus f of x multiplied by h of x multiplied by g prime of x plus f of x multiplied by...
Okay, wait there. Yeah. Okay, I see your mistake. Can you follow me through, Anem?
Okay.
Take f of x and g of x as one function. Anem.
Okay, take it as
Say
one
the
function.
derivative. Say dx. Open the square bracket and put f of x and g of x in that bracket.
Okay.
Multiply that bracket by h of x.
Multiplied by h of x, okay.
Then say plus.
Then plus.
H of x and g of x.
Just h of x
Then
and g
multiply.
of x.
Or f of x times g of x. Sorry for the h. F of x plus f of x times g of x.
F of x times g of x multiplied by
the derivative of h.
Derivative of h, okay.
Yes. Now look at the first derivative where I said dx of f of x times g of x.
You said?
Okay, you can expand that because you already have two functions in that bracket. So you can say d of x times g of x plus d of g or dx of g of x times f of x, all bracketed, multiplied by h.
Okay.
Plus f of x times g of x times dx of h of x.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah, then you follow it down, then you find that you have f prime of x times g of x times h of x plus g prime of x times f of x times h of x plus h prime of x times f of x times g of x. And that's your final answer.
Okay.
Then do you follow how I did that?
Yeah, I see that your method is much quicker than mine. Okay, mine was just doing it way too long.
Yeah,
Okay.
and yours produced 2 primes for each and every sum. So,
Okay, no, thank you, Stu.
Thank you, Sbu. Lumiswa, are you clear
Yes, sir.
now?
Yeah, no, I'm clear now. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Sbu. Lerato.
Lerato's hand.
Lerato.
Yes, what's the limit of the law?
Sorry?
The limit of the law.
What is what?
The limit of the law. Like, does it stop after 5 functions? Like the limit of the extended product rule.
Does it stop after what?
Like, is it only done on 3, 4, and then on 5 you change the method?
So can I explain?
Please, because I'm confused.
Okay, Elagato, the product rule has no limit. As long as you have functions multiplying other functions. For example, if you have x squared multiplied by 4x multiplied by 5x to the 4th multiplied by 6x, those are products. Those are functions multiplying by each other. Yes, you can multiply them, but when you find the derivative, it's going to be hard. So since they are products, you can separate them by multiplication. So when you separate them by multiplication, it's up to you. Each and every function has to have a prime of one function multiplied by the rest of the function, added by another function, that prime of that function, so on and so on. So the product rule has no limits.
Okay, so like, does the quotient rule always have, does it have extending one?
Remember, quotient also applies. When you have fractions, you can always separate fractions by multiplication or addition, depending on what type of fraction you have. So it depends on the function, Lagato. So unless you give a specific example, I can't help there.
Do you have an example there?
Okay.
Sorry?
Let's say
For extended,
let's say for a quotient rule, Lagato.
Like g of x times f of x divided by h of x. Yeah. How do you do that one? Like,
okay, listen, Lagato.
You can separate f of x.
You will say, no, you will say the derivative of the numerator, right? Times the denominator. Now check something out. The derivative of the numerator is a product rule, so you can separate the derivative using the product rule, multiplied by the denominator, which is a function of h of x. You understand?
Okay, I understand now. Yeah, it's fine now.
Yeah, so I think we are covered.
Thank you, Sposiso. Now, let's continue in Lerato. Lerato?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm not trying to put you on the spotlight. Who else? Okay, no, let me only talk to you. Let me request you to lead us in giving us an answer in the next exercise. Okay. And please, please promise me that you are going to give us what we are looking for.
No one knows the future, even me.
Oh my God. No. Oh my God. This is the future. You see this example 2.2.8 and example 2.2.9 is the future that we are talking about. This is what we are going to get into the future that I'm referring to.
The past can shape up the future, so I promise that I'll get the answer half correct. Yeah.
Full correct, full.
Yeah,
No,
so with what's this thing? Theo loves this way, man. Arithmetic stuff, and then I get one wrong by mistake there.
Okay, Lerato, be patient this time. Take your time.
Please.
Take your time. Make sure to breathe in and breathe out when you're solving this one.
5 minutes. I can bring correct answer, not too high.
Okay, we're going to give you 5 minutes. Okay.
Sir.
Hello.
I wanted to ask Erica, is Erica fine? Because I think she said she had the same answer as Ndumiso or something.
Oh, No.
Yes, thank you. I'm
my,
fine. I found.
My apology, Erica. My apology, Erica. My apology. Please, pardon me.
No, I'm fine. Thank you, sir. I understand now what they meant.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now I've got my people. You know, politicians usually say our people. I don't know where they got the people. Now I've got my people here. My people are Lerato, Ndumiso, and Erica. These three people will lead us
to the promised land.
Yes, in the next exercise. Here is the future that Lerato talked about. And this is what we were looking for. Ndumiso, Erica, Lerato, this.
Yes.
You see what I've, yeah. You see this step that I've highlighted, the whole step that I've highlighted.
Yes, sir.
Can see the step.
Yes, this is what you should do. Now, here is the promised land. Example 2.2.10. For h of x, which is equals to 2x cubed k of x all over 3x plus 2, please find the derivative of h.
Yeah, we don't have to do like full expanding and not that. Like we don't have to expand everything here.
Lerato. Please, my brother, take your time. You see here, what is it that we need to take into account here?
It's combined.
The product rule
and the quotient rule. Yes.
Quotient rule. Yes.
Which one is that?
Any.
Because I'm stuck and I'm done.
You are stuck and you're done.
But you're done.
Yes.
Yeah, so this, you know, when they say calculus is easy, but the hard part is the algebra. So.
The hard part is the what? The algebra.
It's the algebra.
Why, my brother?
You'll find out.
Oh,
okay. You see, if 90% of the people, including me this time, get this correct, I say we are winning. It means we are winning the war. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Lerato, the only thing that I can do is to give you the tools, of which I did.
I'm done.
Now it's just for you. The tools are just lying around you. You just have to look around you to see which tool must I use, which tool or which tools
to use. I am done. But there are no numbers here. This k of x, if it didn't exist, everyone gets this correct. But because of it, they're struggling here. K of x. So
okay, hang on, Lerato. Let me stick to that agreement. Remember the promise between you and I to say you will lead us. Then Abdul then will follow. Oh no. It will be you, Ndumiso, Erica, then Abdul will follow. Lerato, yes. I'm listening.
The denominator is 3x plus 2 squared.
Whoa, slowly. Whoa. The denominator.
Yes, it will be 3x plus 2 squared.
3x plus 2 all squared.
Yes, squared, all squared.
The numerator?
6x times k prime of x.
Lerato, 6x.
6x 6x times prime k prime.
Yes.
36x squared k prime.
Hang on. You said in the numerator I should write 6x k prime of x. That's what I wrote, and then
plus 36x squared
yes,
k prime of x.
multiply by k prime of x.
Yes.
Okay.
Plus 18x cubed.
Yes.
K double prime of x.
Sorry?
K double prime of x.
K second derivative of x.
Yes.
Okay.
Plus 12x squared.
Plus 12x squared.
K double derivative of x.
K second derivative of x.
Minus 6x cubed.
Yes.
K prime of x.
K prime of x.
So yeah. Yeah.
Is your last term minus 6x cubed k prime of x?
Yes, that's my last term.
Okay. Please tell me, let me repeat what you told me to write. You said to me, in the numerator, you have got 6x k prime of x plus 36x squared k prime of x plus 18x cubed second derivative of k of x plus 12x squared second derivative k of x minus 6x cubed first derivative of k of x all over 3x plus 2.
Squared.
Everything squared.
Yes, that's all right. Not
Thank
everything.
you.
That denominator is squared.
Yeah, 3x plus 2, everything squared in the denominator.
Yes, yeah, that's what I called.
Lumis.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what did you get, brother?
In the numerator, sir, I got 6x raised to the power 4 multiply k prime of x. And then I have plus 24x raised to the power 3 k of x. And then I have plus 4 raised to the power 3.
4 raised to the power 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
K prime of x.
Okay.
That's what I have in the numerator, sir.
Okay. In the denominator?
In the denominator, I have 3x plus 2 all raised to the power 2.
Thank you. Let me repeat. You said in the numerator, we have got 6x to the power 4, k prime of x.
Yes, sir.
Plus 24x cubed, kx.
Yes, sir.
Plus 4 cubed.
No, 4x cubed.
4x cubed.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me write neatly. 4x cubed, and then k prime of x, ne?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All over open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket everything squared.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. My sister Erica.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mine is almost the same as Ntumiso. So in the
Almost the
numerator,
same.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
In the
I'm listening.
numerator, I have 12x to the raised to the power of 3 kx.
Yes.
Plus
Kx.
6. Yes, plus 6x raised to the power of 4.
6x to the power 4.
Yes.
Okay.
And the derivative of kx plus 12x to the power of 2. Yeah, 12x to the power of 2 kx plus 4x to the power of 3 and the derivative of kx. All over 3x plus 2, all of them to the power of 2.
Thank you, Erica.
May God bless Erica.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Yeah.
I double checked and triple checked it this time.
I can
Now
see.
Okay, talk, Spusiso.
I was just saying I can see she triple checked her answer soon.
Okay. My brother Abdul.
Okay, I'm going with
Abdul.
Eric.
Sorry?
I'm gonna go with Eric. So
with Erica.
I'm going with Erica and I'm working it out again and I'm getting a different answer. But so far I'm getting the same as Erica and them.
And them.
Okay, Erica and was it Busiso that Erica was agreeing to?
Oh.
No,
I say them. I was just saying God bless Erica.
I mean, I was saying whatever answer that Erica got, I'm going with that answer.
Repeat the answer.
Okay, you are requested to repeat the answer, Abdul. Now let me go to Tabo. Tabo.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So my calculus starts and ends at the numerator. It's 18x.
18x.
X cubed.
X cubed.
Okay, sorry.
18x
sorry.
cubed.
Sorry. It's 12x cubed.
Hang on. Now I have to cancel. 12x cubed.
K of x. Plus 12x squared. K of x. Plus 6x to the power of 4. K prime of x. Plus 4x cubed. K prime of x. All over 3x plus 2 all squared.
Thank you, Tabo.
Yeah,
now
that's all
I'm
the
going.
calculus there is.
Okay. I'm now going to Spusiso. Spusiso?
Yes, sir. My
What did you
numerator
get?
is it's 12x cubed times k of x.
Yes.
Plus 6x to the fourth multiplied by the derivative of k of x.
Okay.
Plus 4x cubed multiplied by the derivative of x. Plus 12x squared.
Whoa. This term,
Yes, sir.
4
X, so cubed, so multiplied by the derivative of k of x,
Okay, yes.
plus 12x squared multiplied by k of x,
Okay.
all over open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket squared.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, brother. Theo.
Yes, sir. Agreed with me, sir. Just
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the platform is yours, my brother.
Thank you. My answer is 18x cubed multiplied by x cubed.
Hang on, 18x cubed. Yes.
Yes, sir. Multiplied by k of x.
Yes.
Plus 12x squared.
Yes.
Multiplied by k of x.
Yes.
Plus 6x to the 4.
Yes.
Multiplied by k prime x. Plus 4x cubed.
Yes.
K prime x.
Yes.
Minus 6x cubed. K of x.
Minus 6x cubed.
K of x.
K of x.
And all of that is all of that is the numerator, and my denominator is 9x squared plus 12x plus 4.
What should I write in the numerator? In the denominator?
9x squared.
9x squared.
Plus 12x.
Plus 12x.
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, brother. Let me see here.
Sir,
Yes, my brother.
may I please change my answer?
Let me see. Okay, please tell me what to write.
Okay, in the numerator, sir, I have 6x raised to the power 4,
Yes.
k prime of x, plus 18x squared kx, plus 12x kx, minus 4x raised to the power 3, minus 6x raised to the power 3 kx.
Minus 6x to the power 3, ne?
3, yes, sir.
Kx.
Kx, yes.
Okay.
And then all over.
All over.
Open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket raised to the power 2.
Let me read out what you just shared with us. You said, okay, now let me scratch this previous one. Are you sure that I should scratch the previous one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I've just scratched it. Let me write your name alongside your answer. This is what you said I should write. Said I should write 6x to the power 4 multiplied by k prime of x.
Yes, sir.
Plus 18x squared k of x.
Yes, sir.
Plus 12x k of x.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4x cubed.
Yes, sir.
Minus 6x cubed k of x.
Yes, sir.
All over, open bracket, 3x plus 2, close bracket, everything raised to the power 2.
Yes, sir.
Let's see something here. Yeah, this is interesting.
Ish, I made a
Okay,
mistake.
hang on, Mpezo.
It's
Let
fine,
me
so no.
repeat. No. Let me
No,
repeat.
I made a mistake when I was deriving at k derived 2x to the third. I made a mistake there. I left out a 6. Oh, I see my
Okay.
mistake there. Ish, yeah.
All right. Now, here is a request. Here is my request to you. Lerado.
Yes, sir.
Lerado.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here is my request. Please go and rework this exercise. Okay? Erika and Sbusiso, please double check what you are agreeing on. Ne? Tabo, please double check what you have given me to write. I have it here. Theo, please double check what you have given me. Ndumiso, you now disowned your first answer that you have given me. I'm now looking at the second one, which you seems to be having some uncertainties around it. Please double check it. Okay, here is my request to all of you. Please go and rework. After reworking, let me come here. Let me come here. Who is here? Theo is here. Sbusiso is here. Tabo is here. Tando.
Hello, sir.
Have you got my answer?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yes, but I was slow.
Please give it to us.
Oh, I did too much. Okay, I got 18x.
18.
That's sure. 18x cubed. Ku of x.
Okay. Hang on. I think the best thing that will help me is this. This is the best thing that will help me. Here we have got Alvin. We have got Erika. We have got Lerato. We have got Muluke. Muluke, how are you? And then we have got Makwena.
Oh, hi, sir. It's Mulogi here. I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay. Who is N? I see we have got N. Oh, it's Ndumiso. Then we have got Princess. Then we've got Sbusiso. And then we have got Tabo. Let me check here. Then we have got Tando. Then we've got Theo. All right. Here is my request. All of us in here. I need to give you money. I need to send you money. So I'm going to mention, yes, I need to give you money. I'm going to mention the names that I've written down here. I wrote Tando, Theo, Tabo, Elvin, Erika, Lerato, Muluke, Makwena, Ndumiso, Princess, and Sbusiso. Have I captured everyone on my list?
Abdul.
Yes, sir.
Abdul. Abdul. How can I miss Abdul?
He ran away today.
Oh, he ran away. Okay. Now, with the inclusion of Abdul, we are all here. Now, I've captured everybody. Now, here is my request. Please go and those who say they've worked on this, please go and double check your answers. After that, please send them to my boss. I'm going to go through them individually. And then tomorrow, what we are going to do, I will save them and put them in sequence. And then we'll go through them individually. And then you can be able to see which one or which ones amongst the ones that you would have found would be the ones that we are actually looking for. Can we agree on that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we agree. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, your workings, you send them to my boss. What I will do, upon receipt, arrange them in order. I'll project them from my side. Then we'll talk about them. My brothers, this is, Lerado. Lerado.
Yes, sir.
I'm worried. I haven't got an answer, but I'm worried about yours.
It's fine. Mine is
I haven't
fine.
got an answer, but I'm worried about yours.
The thing is, what I can see so and that is doing is this. The K of X, they don't derive it, like they leave it as K of X. Let's have got double prime K of X because I derive K of X.
Okay, Muluge, okay, Tabo and Muluge, I'll be with you. Yes, Lerat, and in Dumiso, please raise your hands like that, in that order. Yes, Lerado, what do you say?
Like,
and
when
yes,
they
Lerado.
use the product rule, when they use the product rule for the numerator, everyone derives the K of X the way they are supposed to derive it. Now, when it's in quotient rule, it's like they stop deriving it and they don't derive it anymore. So, can we agree that K of X, if it was replaced by a function in this case, everyone would get this correct. The problem is K of X. What happens there?
Okay, Lerado. Can I request that we just take it as if we never had this conversation, you and I. Then you go and rework. I like your answer. That's why, amongst all these answers that I'm having, I'm requesting you specifically to go and rework yours. And then I'm requesting all of you to send them to my boss. I'll arrange them. Then we'll talk about them tomorrow. Before Tabo, yes, your hand is up, followed by Muluge, and then followed by Ndomeso, in that order.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
I wanted to ask, do we email it to the email address cnyanga@unisa.ac.za, or which mode of communication to use? Oh, okay.
Yes,
okay.
please.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Muluge?
Can you please call out the email address again? Because that was to be my question. I only started attending yesterday. All along I was just doing assignments and trying to stay afloat.
Hang on, Muluge. You did, since you say you started attending yesterday, how did you then get to know that we are here in this small corner? Didn't you
Oh.
get an invitation?
Yesterday when I switched on my laptop, there was a notification there, the bottom corner, bottom right corner. I clicked on it and it led me here.
Okay. Didn't you see
Yes.
the email address?
Sorry, what?
Did you not see the email address?
I did not really check.
There is an email address there.
Really? I'll look
But
for
my,
it.
boss,
But
my,
can
boss
you-
will talk about, my boss will talk about that. Don't worry. Then, Ndomeso,
Sorry, sir, just two questions. The first one is just to confirm, you say we email our things to Ms. Tikeledi, ne?
yes.
Okay, and then my second one is, I just want to make sure that I wrote down the question correctly. It's h of x is equal to,
Where is that? This one.
okay, yes, thank you, sir.
Hmm.
All right, thank you very much,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Including, where is Abdul?
It's plus 2 there, sir. Plus 2.
Where, Lerando?
3x plus 2, not minus, plus.
In the numerator, plus, yes.
Okay.
Please, I'm requesting all of you. Magwena,
Yes,
Magwena,
sir. Yes,
how are you?
sir. Thanks, how are you?
What's wrong with your network?
I don't know.
Okay.
But
Now,
I sent my things on the chat.
okay, no problem. Please send them to my boss. Then tomorrow, because I see there is a problem here. I see a big problem and I need us to solve this problem together. I need us to understand this thing together, the way I'm understanding it. Or alternatively, I'll prefer you to know it more than I know it, or to understand it more than me.
Okay.
Then, sorry?
No, I didn't say anything, sir.
Okay. Magwena, please also make sure that this message gets to Abdul, ne? In terms of what is it that we need to do, okay?
Okay.
Are you promising me that you'll make sure that Abdul gets this message?
Can I have his email address?
No, everybody here, everybody, all of us who are in here, I do know that we are talking to each other. Let's talk to each other and also make sure that Sbusiso, Lerato, I don't even want to mention names.
Already mentioned, sir.
All of us in here, please, let's also make sure that this message gets to Abdul so that tomorrow, remember at the beginning, he almost disagreed with our agreement to say, no, that was not our agreement. Please share the message with him so that tomorrow we can be able to be on the same side, on the same side.
Sir,
yes.
You spoke about money, sir. So tomorrow the winner gets money.
The winner will get money tomorrow. Yes, I promise you.
Enough to be shared between two people.
Yes.
Okay then.
Yes. You know that even 2 cents can be cut into 2. They get 1 cent, 1 cent each. Yes, Leran. So on that note, Please don't run away. Please don't run away. Please come. We still have, we are still on derivatives. The next section deals with integration, and then there will be
Yeah, so integrations.
Mhm. Then there will be the
Hala.
last section, which is it's not difficult. What about integrations, Busiso?
Hey, say you, especially the inverse trick, for the inverse one, for the inverse of trigonometric functions, a bit
We'll get there,
complex.
don't worry. Don't
I say
worry.
by the time we get there, I'll be a master.
remember we talked about the future with Lerado. So that's our future.
Yeah.
But we'll soon get there. Can we then call it a night?